In Nairobi, Kenya, journalists are learning to use mobile phones to tell powerful health stories. This innovative approach, called mobile journalism or MOJO, is transforming the way stories are reported. Through a workshop organized by MESHA, 15 journalists are gaining advanced skills and AI training to turn their mobile phones into powerful reporting tools. Health advocates also engaged with the journalists, providing valuable insights to enhance their storytelling.
Mobile journalism is not an option.
There's a big role that the media plays, and I want to acknowledge that most of the successes in health advocacy, the media has been at the heart of that conversation. The fonts are easy to carry. They are gadgets which you don't need. We are used to media coming and they have to set up and you can't even see your face. But with the phone, it's easy to carry, easy to charge, easy to manage. So that's a tool that you can embrace more, you can use more, and at the same time, use different avenues to reach people.
I'm happy that the journalists are also using their phones to also create awareness when it comes to health-wise, that is HIV, and also when it comes to sexual reproductive health, SRHI. I hope this will bring a positively impact.
With every click, these journalists are changing lives one story at a time.